Hello guys, welcome back to the channel once again, and in this video we are going to be doing a gaming review of Asus Zenfone Max Pro M2 and a quick graphic comparison with Honor 8X as well. So let's start. And recently I got an update on my Honor 8X. I have already made a video on that. You can check that out on the channel as well. So here we go guys, side by side, and starting with Asus Zenfone Max Pro M2, you can see that colors are really good, graphics is awesome, and you can see that on Asus, whether you take photos or play games, the colors are more natural. You can see that smooth, and there we go. And I've already done the gaming comparison of Honor 8X. If you want to see that, you can watch that as well. So yeah, that's about Asus Zenfone Max Pro M2. Let's have a look at the graphics of Honor 8X. Here we go. And you can see that on Honor 8X, whether you take camera photos or you have a look at the graphics, the color are more kind of, oversaturation is there. So yeah, many people do like this oversaturation thing, but I'm not a big fan of that. I'm sticking with Asus if you talk about the graphics. So yeah guys, that's pretty much it. Let's get straight in the gaming review. And guys, if you end up liking this video, please give it a big thumbs up. It does help a lot. And subscribe to the channel if you're not. Let's go to quickly grab this vehicle and start. Let's see how it performs. And here we go. And guys, as I said, if you want to check the gaming review of Honor 8X, you can watch that out as well. It's in the channel, and you can see that it is going good right now. I've just started, I know. And okay, really smooth. I'm feeling it is actually a little bit smoother than Honor 8X. I know on camera it's really hard to say, but I just get the feeling it is a little bit more smoother than Honor 8X right now. Let's see. Let's play a little bit more. Okay. Pretty good. And both the phones are yet to get the Pi update as well. So I'll make a video on that as well when both this phone get the Pi update. So make sure you are subscribed guys. And so I don't see any lag guys or anything like that, even though you can see the traffic is decent. And let's go a place where there is like more traffic. And guys, this phone has Snapdragon 660 with Adreno 512, so remember that. And I need to upgrade once again. Okay, so it's going good guys, as I said, no problem at all. Let's play a little bit more. And you can see that again the traffic over here is like decent. Again you can see that many cars, but it's not lagging at all guys, not lagging at all. And I think definitely it is smoother than Honor 8X. And I also like the graphics, as I said, of Asus Zenfone Max Pro M2. And I really want to do a comparison of Honor 8X with Asus Zenfone Max Pro M2 when both the phone get the Pi update. I'm still waiting for that. Okay, so going good guys, as I said, no problem at all. So gaming wise, yeah guys, thumbs up to Asus, performing really good. And let's play a little bit more and that will wrap it up. And if you're new to the channel, I have done a lot of speed tests with this phone. You can check that out on the channel as well. Subscribe if you're new. And on the other hand, Honor 8X has Mali G51 GPU, which is enhanced by Revolutionary GPU Turbo. And now this phone is not like a really heavy gaming phone like Honor Play or Poco F1, but you can see that it's going really good. So yeah guys, that was a gaming review of Asus Zenfone Max Pro M2, and as I can see my camera recording, it's like more than 15 minutes. So I played like 15 minutes and it performed really well, even though when I'll upload I'll make this video shorter. So yeah guys, thumbs up to Asus Zenfone Max Pro M2. I thought it really played well, no lag or anything. So yeah guys, if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, like, subscribe, share, and peace out.